Two website building giants, but only one can power your online presence. WordPress.com or Durable. On one side, the well-established, endlessly flexible WordPress.com. On the other, the AI-driven, super-fast Durable. Today, we're comparing them in the ways that count, ease of use, customization, pricing, speed, and support. Forget the technical jargon. We're showing you what actually matters for real users. Each round will award points, and by the end, you'll see a clear winner. But the final verdict might really surprise you. Let's get into it. Might really surprise you. Let's get into it. Alright, so before we dive into each one, let's just look at the categories that matter here. We're talking price, speed and ease, design and templates, integrations, scalability, AI features, and of course, support. I want you to picture a mind map popping up. Kinda like, here's everything that's about to go down. All neat, all organized. Cool, let's jump in. Okay, let's talk about price. WordPress.com does technically let you start for free, and yeah, it's got plans for when you need more. Think business level stuff. But the good stuff like custom domains or certain features can start to add up. Now, Durable. This is cool. It actually lets you use its AI site generator for free, and their paid plans? Super simple, super clear, none of that confusing pricing chart stuff. The only catch? Those crazy advanced tools are only on WordPress. But hey, if you want an affordable quick launch, Durable totally comes out on top here. Speed and ease, oh man, this is where things get really obvious. WordPress.com has that modern blog editor. Honestly, it's not intimidating and it's a huge level up from older editors. But you still gotta pick a theme, maybe wrangle a plugin or two, and that setup can be a bit of a learning adventure. Now Durable, you literally type in your business info and it spits out a working site in like under a minute, zero coding, no theme hunting. It's almost surreal, and if you want fast, easy, and zero thinking, well, Durable is the rocket ship here. Let's chat about design. WordPress.com is kind of a playground. Thousands of themes, plugins for days, and if you want absolute control, you can totally nerd out. Downside? If you want things pixel perfect, sometimes you'll need to know your way around some techie stuff. Meanwhile, Durable's templates, super slick, modern, mobile friendly by default, which is awesome, but they do all sort of feel the same and you can't really break the mold too much. If you want unique vibes and details, WordPress is the winner for design. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that legit, over 40% of the web is powered by WordPress? That's wild. Like, you probably visit a WordPress site several times a day and don't even realize it. Integrations. Oh, this is always a spicy one. WordPress.com, no contest, can hook up with just about anything. Shopify, MailChimp, Google Analytics, the works. If there's a service, there's probably a plugin for it. But yeah, sometimes you'll be tinkering under the hood to set it all up. Durable's got some cool built-in stuff, like email and CRM, but honestly, third-party integrations, not its strong suit. So if you're eyeing future upgrades, WordPress has it locked down. Now, scalability. WordPress.com has been around forever, and there's a reason. Massive blogs, huge publishers, businesses running wild, all on that platform. Want to go global, grow a team, or build a giant content empire? WordPress lasts in the face of scaling. Sure, once you get super advanced, you might need help from a developer or go up a pricing tier, but like, it's wild what you can do. Durable, meanwhile, is perfect for simple stuff, if you're solo or just starting. But if your side hustle turns into a giant operation, you'll kind of hit what I call the durable ceiling. Okay, AI features and oh man, big vibes here. WordPress.com has its own AI writing tools and yes, even some AI SEO magic. But they feel a bit tacked on, like you gotta hunt for them. Durable? This is the whole point. The site is made by AI, your logo, your text, you just watch it happen. And they're always rolling out wild new AI tools, so if you're chasing that instant, look what the robots can do. Energy, you'll love Durable. Can't forget support. WordPress.com has legit 24/7 live chat if you're paying, plus a huge community and docs everywhere. On the free plan, you might wait a bit, but still, the info is out there. Durable? Actually pretty responsive, especially with chat and email, and their onboarding is easy to follow. But their help docs aren't as deep or like encyclopedic as WordPress is. Bottom line, WordPress wins support, especially if you like tapping into a gigantic user base for tips. Let's take a step back. If we throw all these categories on a radar chart, you see WordPress's shape just kind of balloon out on things like scalability, integrations, design. Durable though, it spikes big time in speed, ease, AI, and cost. So the chart really visualizes how different their strengths are. Alright, so here's my honest take. If you want firepower, a platform you can grow into, something for serious blogging or complex sites, WordPress.com is the move every single time. You want to launch a slick business site tonight, or just want the bots to crank something out while you chill? Durable is insane for that. For this showdown, Durable takes the crown for speed, affordability, and AI magic. But WordPress.com is still the king if you want room to grow. Hey, if this helped you at all, let us know what site battle you're curious about next. And stay tuned because there are so many more web platform showdowns coming